Hello students. In our last lecture we started chemical properties, but aldol condensation was not complete with complete mechanism. So let us start again with aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is that reaction when aldehydes having alpha hydrogen, mandatory condition is alpha hydrogen, undergoes a reaction in presence of dilute alkali. Second condition or reagent used is dilute alkali, and product form is beta hydroxyaldehyde. Actually, beta hydroxyaldehyde is known as aldol, and mandatory condition for reaction is aldehyde which participate in aldol condensation should contain alpha hydrogen. So let us see this reaction in detail. The reaction takes place between two aldehyde molecules, and here we takes two molecules are ethanol. Functional group is CHO, aldehyde functional group, and next carbon is alpha carbon, and hydrogen attached to that carbons are alpha hydrogens. In the presence of alkali, dilute alkali is OH negative, and formation of 3-hydroxybutanol. It is also known as aldol. So let us see the mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism starts step 1. Firstly, OH negative means alkali will attack on the alpha hydrogen and captured alpha hydrogen to form a water molecules. And when OH negative accepts this hydrogen, the bond between the carbon and the hydrogen is transferred to the carbon, and formation of intermediate takes place. That intermediate is carbanion. This intermediate contains two conjugated sites. One is the negative charge and other is the double bond on the alternate position. That's why it is resonating stabilized. But we need in this reaction in the as it is form this carbanion or the intermediate. And then this intermediate react with another molecules of aldehyde, and negative charge attack on the carbonyl carbon and double bond is transferred on the oxygen. After that, formation of adduct takes place. Carbon containing O negative, and in last carbon is the aldehyde group. And after that, this O negative will accept the H positive from the water molecules, and carbon containing now hydroxy group. This is known as aldol. So ultimately formation of aldol takes place. If we heat this aldol product, hydrogen from this carbon and OH from this carbon is removed, and formation of enol takes place. This is the complete aldol condensation. Next case, if we discuss about the cross aldol reaction. Cross aldol condensation means when two aldehydes are different. Either one have alpha hydrogen and other do not have alpha hydrogen, or both contain alpha hydrogen. React in presence of dilute alkali to form aldol is known as cross aldol. It means one should contain alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is the mandatory condition of aldol condensation. But for the formation of carbanion, alpha hydrogen is must. But other reactant should not contain alpha hydrogen. Should or should not, may or may not. So, in case of cross aldol, let us see by the example. If acetaldehyde reacts with formaldehyde in presence of OH negative, here we can see formaldehyde does not have alpha hydrogen, so it cannot form intermediate of this reaction. Only which contain alpha hydrogen can form intermediate. So OH negative means dilute alkali. Attack on alpha hydrogen. First step is similar as we discussed in the aldol condensation, and hydrogen is attached to form the water molecule and formation of carbanion takes place. Carbanion takes place. Now this carbanion react with the second molecule of aldehyde which does not have alpha hydrogen. So negative charge of this carbanion attack on carbonyl carbon and bond is transferred to the oxygen. Further that formation of this type of product is here, and after this O negative will accept the hydrogen from water and formation of the product, and formation of product is 3-hydroxypropanol is here. So case here, if both aldehyde does not have alpha hydrogen, if both aldehyde does not have alpha hydrogen, then aldol condensation does not takes place because they does not have alpha hydrogen. Next reaction, benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation when two molecules of benzaldehyde to react in presence of HCN and water to form alpha hydroxy ketone or also known as benzoin. That reaction is known as benzoin condensation. When two molecules of benzaldehyde, reactant is benzaldehyde, reagents are HCN and water, and formation means product is alpha hydroxy ketone. Other name of alpha hydroxy ketone is benzoin here because here benzaldehyde combines. So benzoin condensation, let us see by the reaction. Two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts in the formation of HCN and water, and formation of benzoin takes place. Now see the mechanism of the reaction. In the mechanism, HCN breaks into H positive plus Cn negative. Then Cn negative will attack on the carbonyl carbon and double bond is transferred to the oxygen, and this type of species is formed. Then O negative carries the hydrogen from the carbon